Tim with Cole Publishing, hanging out in the general booth with Dave. Dave, good to see you again.
You too. You too.
And we're standing in front of a line of jetters here, and General's been doing this for a long time. I'm assuming there's a reason why there's so many different sizes and model varieties of these jetters. Why don't we touch on a few of those?
Yeah, that's good. We have a motto here: is one size does not fit all.
Sure.
So when you get the right tool for the job, you need to actually have different equipment. Okay, for example, this one. This is designed for sink drains. That's what it's designed for. It's
smaller.
Portable. Yeah, right. It's in a toolbox. You can just sort of take it and run, hook it up underneath the sink, and we're finding that 50 to 75% of the grease that's coming up today's world is within about 10, 15 feet of a kitchen sink. So this is very useful. Yeah. These things pay for themselves really, really quickly. But can you use this on a larger pipe? Can you use this outside? No. Okay. It will only work on small pipes, 1.25 inch, 2 inch, 2.5, maybe 3. That's it.
So when you're going up to those 4-inch pipes, this isn't the tool for the job.
This is not the tool for the job.
Got it.
You can be very effective with this, make a lot of money with this, but just on small pipes.
All right. So what do I need if I did want to work on some of those 4-inch pipes?
Well, we step up here.
Okay.
So let's say we come down here. This is another electric jetter. You would use this. This is designed for indoors, okay? Not outdoors. It will work in a 15 amp breaker environment, but will also do 2 to 4 inch lines.
Got it.
So let's say you're indoors and you have some medium size, so connecting pipes that are gunked up with some sort of grease or some sort of soft stoppage. Sure. This would be perfect for getting at them. It's convenient, it's on wheels, it's very portable. This reel actually comes off.
Oh,
if you need to make it even smaller and get it into the backseat of somebody's car, you can do that. So all the indoor stuff you can do with electric jetters, with the JM 1000, JM 1450. Okay, so these things are really, really good. This thing, if you take care of it, it's a really well-made device. It will last the rest of your career. As will this one. Let's say...
So we're stepping up again here.
We're stepping up again.
Bigger pipes, bigger jetter.
Let's say I'm outside and I want something that I can take out of my truck and actually get it to the clean out or get it to the pipe that I need to clean out and go down here. And it's going to be a 4-inch pipe. And I'm not sure what's in there. Well, then I want something with 4 gallon a minute flow, 3,000 PSI. Okay. This is going to clean out a big pipe really, really well. When you're done, it's going to look like a new pipe. Yeah. So if I come in with a camera later and inspect this, it's going to look perfectly new.
And it's still a very compact unit for even handling those larger size pipes.
That's right.
This isn't something that I look at and think, wow, that's going to take up all the space in my truck.
No, it's portable, it's upright, it's on 2 wheels, you can get it, you can move it around fairly easily. Nice. And this is our best-selling gasoline-powered jetter. Okay, so very reliable, again, 4 gallon a minute flow, 3,000 PSI. We find that as we step up, the gallons a minute flow is actually more important than the PSI after you reach a certain level. Okay. So 3,000 PSI, that's enough to blow anything off the sides of the pipe. 4 gallon a minute flow just flows it away. So you're going to actually be in good shape on this.
But I mean, as we know, infrastructure, everything's getting bigger.
It is.
And sometimes this isn't the right tool for the job.
That's right.
We got to step it up. What do we have for that?
Well, we have this. This is 8 gallon a minute flow at 3,000 PSI. Twice the flow of that. So,
twice the flow.
Twice the flow. And the flow, as I said, is the most important thing when it comes to actually cleaning the drain. So, on a job that if you're using that, you'd have to pack a lunch. This one, you could be done in 5 minutes.
Awesome.
Okay? Now, some of these actually end up permanently installed inside somebody's truck. That's fine. Okay. But also, it's on wheels. If you need to get it around, it's portable. So, again, 3,000 PSI, 8 gallon minute flow, and we have even something bigger that we don't have here at this show. It's a trailer jetter.
Really?
For the big jobs. Okay. But what people are finding when they're using these big jetters with the high flow rates and the high PSIs, you can do anything that you can do with snakes or flexible shaft technology, things like that. It just blows everything off the sides of the pipe. Yeah. And as I said before, when you're done with a jetter, you go through with a camera and do an inspection, it looks like a new pipe.
Clean.
And where this comes in for a contractor is they want that pipe clean so they can inspect it. They can look for inflow and infiltration issues, things that are plumbed incorrectly, cracks in the pipe, anything.
Makes sense.
So they don't leave anything on the table. And they're doing the best job for the customer.
Right.
So if you don't jet
number
it
one.
before you inspect it, you're not getting the most out of the situation. We have whatever size pipe you're in, whatever kind of situation, whatever the job site requires, we have the jetter for it. We have the right size.
Yeah, what I'm seeing here, and from my understanding now, is if I want to be a versatile drain cleaner, I'm not coming in and just saying, I need this one unit from you.
One size does not fit all.
I need to be equipped with all of it.
That's right.
Excellent. Well, Dave, thank you so much. It's great learning about it. And where can people learn even more?
Drainbrain.com.
All right.
You can go on our website, or you can call 800-245-6200. Talk to the Drain Brains. They can get you all kinds of information about this.
They know their stuff.
They know their stuff.
All right, thanks
Thanks
Dave.
a lot, man. Appreciate it.